Metadata Utility is a modular application that enables users to restore native support for Windows Media Center movie library. This is to basically go from a default view, as we see here, to a fully enriched, detailed movie information, including movie cover art, as well as detailed movie information, including movie description, as well as cast, director, and other relevant information for the entire movie library in Windows Media Center. This is all achieved through a simple-to-use interface that enables users to synchronize their movie data information with Windows Media Center. For more information, welcome our users to click on any of our other videos in which we have detailed information step by step how to manage their Windows Media Center movie library, as well as to visit our website at metadatautility.com for more information. Thank you for watching.